Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a cinematic look for your videos in CapCut. So if you want to make your videos look like a Hollywood movie, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can achieve a cinematic look in CapCut using simple yet powerful editing techniques. So first, what you need to do is of course open your video in CapCut. So here I'm going to just use this videos right here. Okay, so this is my video. And now what you need to do is go to adjust and find grabs option. Click on it and add 2 points in here like this. And what you need to do is lower the second one slightly and increase or raise the third one if needed. Okay, now go back, and this is optional, but you can lower the brightness, but I'm not going to, I think. And then increase the contrast slightly and add and increase the saturations and also the sharpness of the video. So the amount of this is depends on your clips, so it might be different. Tap on a check icon, and that's basically it. But for more dramatic effect, you can always add filter or video effects to your videos. So let me repeat the steps. You can open the video on CapCut, go to adjust and find grabs, add 2 points and adjust it according to your video. After that, you can still on the adjustment in here, lower the brightness if needed and increase the contrast, saturations and also the sharpness. And after that, you are done. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. With this CapCut tricks, your videos will look more professional, polished and movie-like. Don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe to our channel for more CapCut tutorials. If you still have questions, you can always leave a comment down below, and I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!